Oh, hopefully I can fix this one. I'm gonna open the head to see if I can get the mouth working. And I'm gonna replace that gear because it's probably close to being split. But yeah, it's shattered. It yellowed and completely shattered. He works amazing now. But this is just a 6-volt adapter, not a 9-volt. Because these two take 6 volts, not 9 volts.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing. Wonderful time, oh, the most wonderful time of the year.
I put his belt upside down. The SC is upside down. So yeah, this thing needs a lot of repair. See, the belt in the body's bad. The head doesn't turn at all. I think the belt is completely off because the motor does run. And the mouth. This is what I'm talking about. When I touch it right here, it has a little kick. But it doesn't continue to work. And it does cause malfunctions.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time, yes, the most. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, ouch and good old Santa Claus, down to the.
And then, of course, it's shattered. The head is shattered off.
For the little one, Christmas joy. Oh, ho, ho, who wouldn't go? Oh, ho, ho, who wouldn't go?
Okay, well, I just tested this motor on his mouth, and this one does work, so his mouth will be working.
Of the year.
Those wires black too? No, they looked kind of dark, but yeah, those wires were way too short. It sucks because I also need a new one, a new piece like this, because that's clearly split.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Nice.
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time, yes, the most wonderful time. Oh, the most wonderful time of the year. Better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming.
His head didn't move good before, so it's gonna move great now.
I'm making a list.
I'm gonna open the base to see if I can get the button to work, because the button has never worked. Well, it does say it was sold at Walmart. Wow. That's a lot of that's a lot of components. Nope, it's just a regular button glitch. Like what happens with a lot of things. Because it works now.
Merry Christmas. You better watch out. Better not cry. Better not pout, I'm telling you. Merry Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Alright, let's see what happens. The head should be good. It's glued on. Button works now. Head turns. Just need to get it, and it dances. And it's not noisy anymore either. So now I just need to get a new soldering iron so I can fix the mouth. See? Awesome.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most... How? Merry Christmas. You better watch out. Better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why.
God, it's so annoying how he just doesn't stay all the way up. I mean, he only goes down that far. Like, he doesn't go down any more than that, but still, it's annoying. Oh, it's moving though. Fuck.
Merry Christmas.
Jeez. Oh, it's glitching.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Jesus, the mouse moves so minor.
Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Who wouldn't go?
That's as much as it allows it to move.
Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to
The head moves great now, though, compared to what it used to.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
See, if this part of the beard was in here, it would actually move a lot more. Because that's what's blocking it. See, this one's not like that. So yeah, that's in the way.
There'll be much mistletoeing and house will be glowing when love goes down here. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time.
Alright, so I finally finished fully restoring the 2002 experimental model of the life-size dancing Santa. When I say experimental model, this was the first model ever created. And you can tell because the way it dances, it's not as appealing as the way we know that they usually dance. This is the 2003 model. It had the white box with the green. It was half green, half white, which was Walmart's 2003 style. And this one was Walmart 2002. There is a model in between these two which still has a noisy dancing mechanism. The main difference, well, besides the dancing, is the song. Song number 5, he sings Santa Claus is Coming to Town, and he sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas. No model after the second version. This is version 1, and this is version 3. And none after version 2 sings Santa Claus is Coming to Town. They all sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas. These sold up until 2006, I believe. 6 or 7. At Walmart. And then they started selling the realistic version that has the soft beard and stuff. But these are the original models, especially this one. And this one's not as easy to obtain. And again, I don't know how long they kept it like this until they changed it. But yeah, this one I got off eBay both I got off eBay in 2015. I had to restore this one again too because, well, when I first got it, the gearbox and the head turning was shattered, and the person who had it rigged it and just screwed a piece of wood to hold the head on. Well, Bailey had a spare part for it, and he sent it to me in like 2017, I think. I fixed it, then I put it in the storage unit. I pulled it out this year. It didn't work again. The belt for the dancing was broken, and the belt for the head was broke. So I had to take it apart and fix it again. This one, the mouth never moved. The head struggled to turn that way. Well, the belt was bad. I replaced the gear for the head turning that was also splitting. The reason the mouth never moved was because the belt, or the motor was dead. So it has a new motor, and of course the piece was split too. These both are string controlled for the mouth. It's opened by a string. A motor pulls the string. In 2005, Bailey has the 2005 model. They have a flat black base and the buttons on the foot. And the mouth is gear controlled, not string. So, yeah. Anyways, the suit is differentiating too. This is more of a velvet color. But yeah, again, the main difference is the Son number 5. Like I said, none of the other ones past model number 2, which I'm still not sure if that is also 2002 or 2003 or in between, because I know they didn't change it to that same year. So this has to be 2002, because there's no way they could have changed it that quickly. The speaker on that one's in the bass, and the speaker on this one's in the body. So this one's actually louder. Also, the background music in him is not as loud, programmed as loud as that one is. Anyways, I'll show him. This is song number 5. Wait. Wrong song.
Better not cry, better not hold, have a biggie pudding, or Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. We were going to get some, so bring some right now. Good tidings twice, wherever is not in night. Good tidings, Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Merry Christmas, everybody!
I don't understand why they couldn't have added this song to that to make it have 6 songs. They both have 5 songs, and like I said, they replaced that song with We Wish You Merry Christmas. The only reason anyone would want this model is because of that song. No one would want it because of the way it dances, but everyone would want it because of the song. Because it only exists in 2 models. There's a 4-foot version that has that song too, but yeah. See, and that one's a lot louder. Also, that one operates on a 6-volt adapter. That one's a 9-volt.
It's the most wonderful There'll be much
Oh yeah, his head was snapped off too. It was shattered. All of its plastic is yellowed. So I glued it back together. This one cannot go back to the storage unit. It won't survive if it does. And to get the belt back on, I just had to slide it under the base and lift up. I couldn't tilt him because I know if even just by tilting him, his head will snap. Because it is so yellowed. Like I said, I had to glue it back together, and that thing will not go back to the storage unit. It's not going to survive if it does. Because nothing was touching it in the storage unit. It just snapped just from getting cold. And that's what happens when plastic yellows.
Have a great holiday season. How about a song to get you into the holiday spirit? Dash through the snow in a wonderful sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing way away. Bells on ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells away. All the way, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! In a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go. Sleigh bells ring, in the snowy bells, a beautiful time. We're happy tonight, walking in a wonderland. Build a snowman, and continue Parsons Road. The iron will say no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by fire to face the fate and the day. In a wonderland.
Another song they never put in any of the life sizes that this has, which was sung by the same person because you can tell, is this. But it was probably too slow, so that's probably why. Because it's not a very fast song, so.
Everywhere you go, take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once
Still would have been cool.
With candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be.
I was like, I hot glued his pans back up. It's too hard getting the original staples back in.
Merry Christmas.
So yeah, they're both fully restored, and they're working great. Hopefully they last a while now. Hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah.